Hook, have you ever felt like you've given too much control to a financial app? Perhaps you've used Rocket Money to track your spending or negotiate bills, but now you're wondering how to take back the reins of your financial data. Well, you're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of revoking access to Rocket Money, ensuring your financial information remains in your control. Building context, Rocket Money, once a popular tool for managing personal finances, has faced its share of controversies. Some users have expressed concerns about data privacy and security. If you're one of them, or if you simply want to reduce the number of apps accessing your financial data, revoking access to Rocket Money is a crucial step. Step-by-step guide. Access your Rocket Money account. Begin by opening your Rocket Money app or visiting the website. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, look for the Settings or Account section. This is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Find Privacy and Security options. Within the Settings menu, you should find options related to privacy and security. Look for headings like Data Privacy, Account Security, or similar terms. Locate the Revoke Access or Disconnect option. Depending on Rocket Money's interface, you might find a direct option to revoke access or disconnect connected accounts. If not, look for options related to linked accounts or connected services. Select the accounts to disconnect. Once you've found the appropriate section, you should see a list of accounts or services connected to your Rocket Money account. Identify the accounts you want to disconnect and select them. Confirm the revocation. Rocket Money might prompt you to confirm your decision to revoke access. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Additional tips. Review your privacy settings. While revoking access to Rocket Money is a good start, it's also essential to review your overall privacy settings within the app. Ensure that you're comfortable with the level of data sharing and tracking allowed. Consider other financial apps. If you're looking for alternatives to Rocket Money, explore other personal finance apps that prioritize data privacy and security. Research different options to find one that aligns with your needs and preferences. Monitor your accounts. After revoking access to Rocket Money, keep a close eye on your linked accounts and financial transactions. Ensure that there are no unauthorized activities or unusual changes. Conclusion. Revoking access to Rocket Money is a simple yet important step in safeguarding your financial data. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can regain control over your personal information and ensure that it remains private and secure. Remember to regularly review your privacy settings and consider alternative financial apps that prioritize data protection. Call to action. Have you had any experiences with Rocket Money or other financial apps? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful financial tips and advice. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.